Okay, so Mom, what are we about to do?
We're going to scare Wayne?
No, we're going to have a what?
Check out watermelon.
And we're having a what?
Watermelon contest.
Okay, come on.
Well, I'll eat my chicken way.
For your special, simple recipe.
Okay, I got the dough.
You got the dough. Here are the watermelon pieces. Mine's in back. Oh, shoot. She's far. I thought she was closer. Wyan! Come here, fast, fast! Mom said...
Is this something you want? Is this something that's in your clothing?
Here! No, not that. This.
Oh.
No.
Okay. Water eating melon contest. Watermelon eating contest.
You're doing your mouth.
Watermelon eating contest.
And your mark?
Oh God, I can't wait. I got makeup on.
You set?
Can I see you? Can you see me?
Yeah.
Oh, there you are.
Well, no.
Okay. In front. Woo! She tried to give you a whole bunch. Did you get some more? Let's see. Are they getting closer? Is this like Nathan's hot dog eating contest? Nathan had 26 hot dogs.
I'm choking.
Stop choking, Whitney. Wayne.
Choker.
Choker. Choker, la la. Boy, I can't see nothing but the sun. A revelation. I mean, a reflection.
It's cold in my teeth.
It is.
Cold.
Censor that.
Come back. Come on.
Do you use this?
Come on, start the show. July 26th. At 9 p.m. Mom, stop touching the phone.
At knock knock. At knock knock?
No, it's July 26th at 9 p.m. The fam. Wendy Wyan, Whitney and Warren.
Hey.
Left field. Woodward. Chaz Music. Chaz Mason. But it's Chaz Music.
That's his name? Oh, my bad.
If you go to Chaz Music, then you'll find all this stuff.
All this together.
He can sing so cutely. He's amazing. I love it a lot. And who's the last person?
Watermelon.
Lonnie
Be real.
Lonnie Burrell.
Burrell.
So make sure you come because we will be there looking cute and
we'll be eating watermelon. Eating watermelon. It's just a
I'm lying.
We won't be, but you'll wish we were.
Gin.
No wonder I got the big piece. Juicy.
However, now the competition's over.
Now when you're up there, I can see all of you.
With Jesus in mind.
Slowly and beautifully. It matches your costume. I mean,
it's just an outside turn. That's all it is. Just an outside turn.
You should get on this side because all you can see is stuff. Love you.
Love you.
Mom, stop it.
Oh.
Push it. Where?
The top?
No, right here. Right here. Right there. Ow, right here.
Oh.
Don't it on me.
No,
Wendy,
Wyan's
attraction.